in your own words.
I dreamed last night I got on the boat to heaven, and by some chance I had brought my dice along. And there I stood, and I hollered someone fade me, but the passengers, they knew right from wrong. Oh, the people all said, sit down, you're rocking the boat.
People all said, sit down, you're rocking the boat.
And the devil will drag you under by the sharp lapel of your checkered coat. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down,
sit down, you're rocking the boat.
I sailed away on that little boat to heaven, and by some chance found a bottle in my fist. And there I stood, nicely passing out the whiskey, but the passengers were bound to resist. For the people all said beware, you're on a heavy ship. People all said beware, you'll scum the ship. And the devil will drag you under by the fancy tie on your wicked throat. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down,
you're rocking the boat.
and as I laughed at those passengers to heaven, a great big wave came and washed me overboard. And as I sank and I hollered, someone save me, that's the moment I woke up. Thank the Lord. Thank the Lord. And I said to myself, sit down.
Sit down, sit down.
I said to myself, sit down. You're rocking the boat. And the devil will drag you under. It's so heavy you've never float. Sit down, sit down, sit